Hi, hello students. Welcome to pre-release material Computer Science May June 2020. In this video session, we are dealing with the pre-release material to develop software for a mobile shop. Okay, so already in the previous videos, we have completed the first two tasks, setting up the system and allow a customer to order multiple devices. Today in this video session, we are going to continue with task 1, 2 and completing task 3. In task 3, what we are going to do is offering discounts for any additional device if the customer wants to buy. So here is that extend the program to allow a discount of 10% of the price of every additional phone or tablet purchased. Okay, so that is the concept in task 3 they are asking you to do. I repeat, extend the program of task 1 and 2 to allow. You are not going to write a separate program. In the same program you are going to do some changes, that's all. Okay, we have did task 1 first. After that, with task 1 we did some changes to complete task 2, right? So now we are going to do some changes more to complete task 3. What is in task 3? You have to discount 10% of the price of every additional phone or tablet. You should keep it in your mind, not for any accessories or SIM card, only for phone or tablet. If the customer is buying for an additional, you have to give for the second device onwards 10%. Okay? Yes. So then the next thing is output the new total the customer will need to pay and the amount of money saved. Okay, so these are the things you are going to do to extend the program of task 1 and 2 to complete task 3. Okay, now get into the program. Now we have come up with a few changes here, as it is given in the previous programs. Here we uses this repeat loop, which is do until repeat loop for executing the customer to support for additional device, right? This loop we have started in task 2 to offer the customer to buy an additional device if they want, right? So that is what we are using with this loop. But the problem here is, in the previous task which I have given, if I give other than n any alphabets, the program will execute, right? It shouldn't be like that. In the prompt itself we have shown a message, right? Do you want to buy an additional device? Press Y or N, so that then only you can execute for the next part. Okay, so that is what we did some changes here. After the variable resetting, you are going to use an if condition. If your option for this is Y, then you can ask the customer to select your mobile phone, SIM card, accessories, etc. Then only you can output everything. Other than Y, if you give any other data, you can't get the product details. So that is what we are going to do it here. Okay, and this running total we did it in task 2 itself. I think you have gone through the previous videos for that. Now in this task 3, we did some changes here. What and all? First thing, if the option is Y from the customer, then it will be prompted 1 is for mobile, 2 is for tablet, enter the option, then SIM card, accessories, etc. If it is not if it is not Y, which means yes, here the else part executed. Yes. Yes, here you go. Else, this is else print invalid input, and again the computer will ask you for prompt. Okay, do you want to buy an additional? If it is Y or N. If it is not Y, again else part will execute invalid input. Okay, so that is what I can show execution here. Say I'm giving, this is our first device, the customer wants to buy the first device, so you are not going to ask for any Y or N. directly you can execute. So you are buying mobile, clamshell, pay as you go, luxury case, charger. Now I am giving H as an input. What is this doing? Yeah, it should show the error message, invalid input. This is what in the task it is given. Your program or programs must include appropriate prompts for the entry of the data. Error messages and other output need to be set out clearly and understandably. That is what we are doing here. Okay, invalid input. Again, I am giving T. Invalid input. Then if I press Y, you can process. Okay, one is for mobile, two is for tablet. This is how the program should execute. Okay, so that is why we use a if condition. If it is Y, we can execute that input a mobile or bill amount or anything. Else print invalid, ask for a input. If the value is Y, okay, you should listen carefully. If the value is Y, I am making a temporary variable equal to 1. Temp is not a temperature, it is a temporary variable. Okay, just we are keeping it for a reference. Okay, so input, do you want to buy an additional device? Okay, customer is giving Y as input, which means the customer wants to buy an additional device, right? So if the customer wants to buy an additional device, if X dollar equal to Y, then temp is equal to 1. So this if condition is not only here in this prompt also, the same input prompt we are using here, right? Isn't it? So the same if condition I used it here as well. So why we are using that? So once again we'll go back to task 3. Extend the program to allow a discount for 10% of the price every additional device. So if the customer is selecting Y, which means the customer needs to buy an additional device, isn't it? Right? So in that case we are making temporary equal to 1. Otherwise what will be the value? Obviously temporary variable will be 0, isn't it? Okay, so that else part we can make it here. Else temp equal to 0 and if. We'll do the same here. Okay, else temp is equal to 0. That is taking place. Okay, so if it is Y, you are saying temp is equal to 1, then you are jumping back to the loop, right? Okay, here you go. Is the X dollar equal to N? No, it is Y. Reset all the variables. Is X dollar equal to Y? Yes, it is Y. Then do until you will be prompted for the options. If the option is 1, that means you are planning to buy a mobile device, right? Here you go, right? Enter the mobile you want to buy. Any mobile you will buy. This area you are clear, we have already discussed about it. And you should notice this statement given in your previous videos and programs. This statement has been modified as these 5 lines. Okay, I repeat, in the previous task, this is the only statement we have executed. This was not there. Okay, this is how the previous program was given. Clear? Now instead of this statement, we did some changes here. That is what the temporary variable. If the customer is saying Y at the prompt, which means temp value will be changed as 1, right? If the temp is 1, we are going to say device price is equal to mobile price minus 10%. Okay, I hope you know this formula. Device price is equal to mobile price minus 10%. This means 10% discount. Okay, that is what it will store. So okay, temp is not 1, temp is 0. Which part will execute? Else part is going to execute. Else part, what is that? D price is equal to M price as it is. Say for example, a mobile price is $49. Okay. When you are buying a second product, you are saying that mobile device is a second product. Temp value will be 1. So that 49 minus 10% is 4.9, right? 49 minus 4.9, it will take place. Okay, got it? And in this purchase, second one, how much they are saving, how much the customer is saving, that is this 10%, right? So that formula I have used here, save is equal to save plus 10%. So you are calculating the discount here and the saved money here. Okay, so this is not only for mobile device, I repeat, option 1 is for mobile, right? This is not only for mobile device, also the same process is for tablet device. Okay, I hope you understand that. In this area also, only this statement was already given in your previous programs. Now that has been changed as this 6 lines if conditions. Okay, so this is the another change I have made to complete task 3. Okay, so clear with that? Okay, then go to the end of the program. What are the outputs are going to be? The whole total, which is run total, and here total will be replaced when you give a discount of 10% automatically, right? Say for example, you are planning to buy a tablet. D price is equal to the total price minus 10%, right? Say for example, $10 is a tablet price minus 10% discount, that is D price. That D price will be taken to the total, so that will be automatically updated, right? Okay, what are the outputs? The new total amount and the saved money. So these are the changes I have made here. So let me execute and check how it works. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. We are planning to buy mobiles. Okay, which mobile I'm going to buy is clamshell. As usual, we are executing clamshell, that is $49.99, right? Keep it in your mind. And pay as you go, luxury case and home charger. So what is the total price for the first product? 125.97, right? Okay, so do you want to buy an additional device? The computer software is asking you. Unfortunately, you typed some wrong keywords and it will show an error message. Now again you are going to type Y, right? So it is asking for whether you want mobile or tablets. So again I am giving mobile. So same product I am going to execute, clamshell mobile. Let's see, we are getting the actual price 49.99 or discount price. Okay, 2, that is clamshell, isn't it? Okay, and pay as you go, luxury case, home charger. Are we getting any discount? What is the price? Yes, we are getting the discount price. Got it? And also there is a changes in total, isn't it? So how much we have saved? That is the money which is 10% discount from the clamshell mobile. Okay, so I don't want to buy additional device, so I am typing in here. What are the output? The whole total is 246.91, which is the addition total value of 120 plus 125.97. Okay, so total is 246.941. The saved amount is $4.999. So the program works, isn't it? Right? So I repeat, the changes I have made is finding the saved money, which is 10% discount, if condition for getting the Y, right? And the temporary variable assigning. Got it? Okay, then and in here, tablet price and mobile price, this particular area. Okay, and here you go, this particular area. Hope it's very clear. So complete these changes, execute in your computer if it is possible. You can download Just Basic. I will give you the link in the given description of this video. So you can install Just Basic in your computer. Try working with this program. I want the clear execution, and within a week you are going to write an online assessment test on this. Okay, if you have any doubts, kindly Viber me or give a comment here, and any doubts you can call me for any time. Thank you so much for watching. If you are the first time for this channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get the future updates. Thank you.